Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nuria Sultana. I am studying in 7th class. My school name is Khalam Islamic High School. My topic is the meaning of Wahi and the ways in which it was revealed. What meaning of Wahi? To give or convey a message to someone silently in such a manner that the message should be understood by the person on whom it is revealed. Common meaning of the word Wahi. In Islamic terminology, Wahi can be defined as Allah's message conveyed to Allah's chosen person, prophets, through Allah's angel, and its aim is to convey the message to other people. Ways of Wahi. There are 6 ways of Wahi. Through dreams, conveying of message directly into the heart, ringing of a bell, appearance of the angel in a human form, appearance of the angel in a natural form, conveying of message directly by Allah to the prophet. True dreams. The process of Wahi started with true dreams. The dreams which the Prophet Muhammad used to see would come true sooner or later, conveying a message directly into the heart. In this process, the angel would put a message directly into the heart without physically appearance in front of the Prophet Muhammad ringing of a bell. In this process, the Prophet Muhammad used to hear the ringing of bell before the revelation. Al-Haris bin Hisham asked the Prophet Muhammad O Allah's Messenger, how is the Wahi revealed to you? Allah's Messenger replied, sometimes it is revealed like the ringing of bell. This form of Wahi is the hardest of all, and then this shade passes through all after I have understood what is conveyed. Sahih al-Bukhari. Appearance of the angel in a human form. In this, the angel would take a human form to speak to the Prophet Muhammad and the Prophet Muhammad would memorize what the angel spoke. Sometimes even the Sahaba would see the angel with their own eyes. There was a very handsome Sahabi called Diya Kalbi, in whose appearance Jibreel used to appear sometimes. Appearance of the angel in its natural form. In this, the angel would appear in its natural form and convey the message by Allah to the Prophet Muhammad This type of revelation happened twice, and Allah has mentioned about it in the Quran in Surah Najm, ayat number 5 to 12, and Surah Takbir, and ayat number 19 to 23. Conveying of message directly by Allah to the Prophet. In this process, Allah would directly speak to the Prophet Muhammad without the intervention of the angel, like he did with Prophet Muhammad at the time of Miraj and Musa on Mount Sinai. Jazakallahu khair.